So good evening from Harold Parker State Forest in Andover, Massachusetts. Yes, I'm on another micro-adventure at Harold Parker. It's my third time here now for just a single overnight stay. Busy day at work today. Actually getting ready to install some networking cable into a new office building, or at least some newer construction on an existing office building. So that's keeping me busy. And in the meantime, I'm just getting things set up here tonight. I'm gonna spend just a small amount of relaxing time here, just enjoy the fire pit and things like that here tonight. I'm in a different site this time. Wanted to try something a little different. Not sure how much I like this site. It's kind of interesting. It's a pull-through site, so you can actually pull in on that side and pull out on that side. It'd be great if I was towing my trailer along with my scooter and everything else, but I'm just here by myself here with just the van tonight, and I'm only here for tonight anyway. Feel a little more exposed than I like. Definitely like the smaller, more enclosed sites, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, should be a nice little evening. Birds are chirping. The place is pretty quiet, though I did see what looked like like they may have been throwing somebody out of the campground when I pulled in there. There was a couple of police officers, a couple of park rangers there at a site while somebody was loading all their stuff back into their car. So I don't know what happened there, but sure looked interesting. But yeah, I don't really want to have that stuff around me, though, to be honest. One of the reasons why I'm not super thrilled with the Harold Parker area, because it's just too close to the city. But still, it's nice to have a campground that I can get to in under half an hour there, just after work, after dinner and everything. Just come down and just relax for a little while. And that's what I'm doing tonight. If you remember from a previous video here, my drain hose for my sink setup snapped on me because the plastic got old and brittle. So it looks like I found a replacement more easily than I expected to. I stopped over at my favorite hardware store, Round's Hardware, and I found this. I haven't actually tested it yet, but it looks like it should all fit. About the same, it looks like same size threading on it, and the output should go into my water tank just fine. And it was like $10 for this. It's designed to screw onto a regular like a bathroom sink and fit on there. And I got the gasket from the old one with me. I forgot to bring the one that actually came with this, but looks like this should fit. So let's see if it fits the sink. Okay. So it's not as long as the old one was, but it fits. Now the big question is, will I be able to put the drain tank on it? So let's find out. And the answer is no. It's too short. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. Well, I got a short-term solution for the problem anyway. We'll have to come up with a more permanent solution later, but at least this will become functional again. Yeah. At least we have a drain system now. This will work for now, but it looks like I'm going to have to find a longer version of this hose. The bad news is this one's not long enough. Good news is it's all standard size fittings, so this means I should probably be able to find something that will work. So that's good anyway. Now, I had a nice evening tonight there. I actually spent a fair amount of time sitting out by the fire tonight. I didn't bother putting any of it on video, but it was a good evening there, so didn't do much else here. I didn't really go on any big hike or anything. I wanted to do an update on something I was talking about in the couple earlier videos of removing the front passenger seat. And yes, I think I've decided I am going to try to do that. And now the next trip I'm going on, right now it's Thursday. I'm actually heading on a trip Saturday, another one. Yeah, I'm going home tomorrow, and then taking back off again on Saturday. So tomorrow's Friday and then Saturday, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be going on another trip with my brother. We're heading up to Campton Campground up in the Waterville Valley area of the White Mountain National Forest. So that's the plan for the next trip. We're actually going to be doing a lot of sightseeing around New Hampshire this time. It's not going to be one of my usual relax by the campsite type trips, but should at least have some content on the YouTube channel from it. But after I get back from that, I've got about a 2-week stretch with no major trips. That's mainly because it's around the 4th of July holiday, and I don't travel a lot during holiday times, so I think I may do some work on the van again, and one of those things is to try removing the seat. It's not going to be quite so easy. There's a cable in there that attaches to the seat belt mechanism, and that's for the pretensioner. And if I just disconnect that, it's going to throw a fault in the whole airbag system. And from what I understand, if there's a fault in the airbag system, it bypasses the whole airbag system. So that's a big safety risk to not have that functioning. So I'm going to have to figure that one out. I know there's kits out there that can I can disconnect the cable to the seat and plug something else into it that will bypass it, make it think the seat's still there and hooked up and working right. But I got to do some research on that too, so I got to figure out how all that stuff works. But in the meantime, though, I still want to keep the safety system functioning in the van too. But I'd like to get the seat removed up here, and then try setting the fridge on the floor down in front of it there, and then moving the wall blanket to the back behind it. And we'll try it out on the next trip, which will be back up into New Hampshire again. So anyway, I guess I'm going to head off to bed, and we'll catch you guys in the morning. I was trying to get some shots of the scenes of nature here with the birds and the frogs and that, and without the sounds of the background noise there, just the ongoing. It seems to be almost impossible this morning. There's just constantly airplanes, trucks, things like that driving through here. So, oh well. Anyway, good morning from Harold Parker campground. That's kind of close to the city, but kind of stuff you kind of expect in these kinds of places, kind of. So I slept pretty good last night. Woke up a little late actually, almost at 9 o'clock this morning, but oh well. Got up here, got my, well, the most important thing for the day here, my cup of coffee, and now I'm just getting ready to make breakfast and that, and then we're gonna take off. Just a quick trip, but it was fun just to get out of the house for the night there and get out by a fire pit. That's always good, just get out into nature for a day or so. Just one night, sometimes it's all you need. But now it's time to, like I said, make breakfast here. So turns out I forgot to bring any eggs with me. So it looks like I'm having oatmeal for breakfast. Oh, one less bottle. We have breakfast this morning. Simple. Good. Well, that's it. We're all cleaned up and we're getting ready to head out here. So that was a fun little adventure, as you can see. Nothing here, just the setup. I got to put my stool away. That's about it. Other than that, we're ready to take off here. So they're already making their rounds, getting ready to clean campsites out here. So time to get going here. So fun little micro adventure. Too short, of course, but and I think I'm going to go back deeper into that area again there where all the more treed-in sites are next time. This area, a little too close to things. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's available for the next MicroAdventure. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Remember, slow down and enjoy life. Talk to you guys later.